So good morning students. Our first chapter is finished. Now I am going to explain you second chapter. So our second chapter name is animals and human beings. Okay. So animals and human beings communicate in different ways. See, you have in the first picture you can see honeybees. Okay, so honeybees communicate with each other by their sounds. Okay, and dolphin also communicate with each other their sounds. Birds communicate with each other by chirping. Okay, so human beings speak many languages and communicate with each other. So we have already learned that human beings, animals and plants are all living things. Okay, human beings and animals have a lot of similarities. Means दोनों में बहुत सारी चीज़ें सेम होती है, बट दे ऑल्सो डिफ़र फ्रॉम ईच अदर. मीन्स दोनों में डिफरेंस भी होता है. सो now let's learn about the characteristic features of animals and human beings. So our first point is characteristic features of animals. Okay, so animals and birds move from one place to another in search of food and shelter. Okay, means animals or birds move करते हैं from one place to another. Why? Because in search of food and shelter. Shelter means home. Okay, so in the first picture birds have wings to fly. In the second picture most animals use their four legs to move about. Okay, so our second point is some animals live in their natural environment while some animals make their own homes. Okay, so you can see here a lion lives in a den. Means den is a natural home. Okay, in the second picture a rat lives in a hole, but hole is not a natural home. Okay, it is made by rat. In the second picture a rabbit lives in a burrow. Burrow also not natural home. Burrow is made by rabbit. Okay, so our third point is some animals eat only plants. For example, cows and goats. Means they don't eat flesh of other animals. They eat only plants. Okay, now some animals eat only the flesh of other animals. For example, owls and tigers. Some animals eat both plants and the flesh of other animals. For example, bears and crows. Means some animals eat only plants. Some animals eat only flesh of other animals. But some animals eat both plants and the flesh of other animals. Okay. Now fourth point is animals communicate with each other by making different sounds. Means frogs croak, birds chirp, lion roars, parrots can talk, imitate human voice. Means animals communicate करते हैं with each other by making different sound. Okay, now fifth point is some animals can change their body temperature so that of their surroundings. These are called cold blooded animals. मीन्स एनिमल्स हैं जो एनवायरनमेंट में चेंजेस होते हैं उनके सराउंडिंग्स उससे रिलेटेड वो अपनी बॉडी में भी क्या करते हैं, चेंजेस करते हैं. ओके, सो दे आर कॉल्ड कोल्ड ब्लडेड एनिमल्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल snake, frog and fish. Okay, now sixth point is some animals cannot change their body temperature to suit the temperature of their surroundings. Means सम एनिमल्स कोई एनिमल्स क्या करते हैं, जो भी एनवायरनमेंट में टेम्परेचर में जो भी डिफरेंट चेंजेस होते हैं उससे रिलेटेड अपनी बॉडी के टेम्परेचर में वो चेंज नहीं करते. इट मीन्स दे आर कॉल्ड वार्म ब्लडेड एनिमल्स. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल tigers, lions, birds. Okay. Good morning, students. In the previous video I have explained you about characteristic features of animals. So two are remaining, so I will explain you. Okay, so 7th point is animals that have 6 legs are called insects. फॉर एग्जाम्पल मीन्स जो भी एनिमल्स को 6 लेग्स होते हैं दैट आर कॉल्ड इंसेक्ट्स. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल मॉस्किटोज, टर्माइट्स, ग्रासहॉपर. यू कैन सी ग्रासहॉपर हियर you can see grasshopper. Okay, now 8th point is some animals lay eggs to reproduce while some give birth to young ones. Means all living things produce young ones of their own kind so that life goes on. This process is called reproduction. Okay, so humans and some animals like lions, cows and goats give birth to their babies, but fish, frogs and birds lay eggs. Babies hatch from these eggs. Okay, so dear students, in the previous video I have explained you about characteristic features of animals. So in this video I am going to explain you about characteristic features of human beings. Okay, so characteristic features means a quality that is typically of somebody or something and that makes him or her it different from other people or things. Okay, now our first point is human beings have 2 hands and 2 legs. So we are having 2 hands and 2 legs na. So they walk in an upright position. Upright position means to stand in vertical position, means straight जो सीधे खड़े होते हैं ना, that means. So our second point is human beings live in houses they build. Means houses are man-made things. So human beings live in houses they build. Now our third point is human beings eat both plants and animals. Now our fourth point is human beings speak many languages like Hindi, Gujarati, Marathi, English. Okay, so they can communicate their feelings to others easily through speech. Communicate means the act of sharing or exchanging information. Okay, now our fifth point is human beings are warm blooded animals. Warm blooded animals means they cannot change their body temperature to suit the temperature of their surroundings, so they are called warm blooded animals. Okay, so they protect themselves with different types of clothes. Okay, now our sixth point is human beings reproduce by giving birth to young ones. So all living things produce young ones of their own kind, so that life goes on. This process is called reproduction. Okay, now our seventh point is human beings wear woolen clothes during winter. Why? Because in winter season we are feeling very cold, so we use woolen clothes in winter season and cotton clothes during summer. So in summer season we use cotton, light color cotton clothes. Okay,